You're probably wondering why this video started with a slow montage of beautiful sunrise shots. Well, that's because today is a vlog, and I've just rolled off to Stefan. We're about to meet him, and then we're heading off to Rotorua. See you guys later. Right, we're almost road trip ready. Just got to apply the essentials so that you know it's an FPV road trip. And now we're good to go. Are you ready, Stefan, now? You good? You woken up?
Yeah, I'm fully woke.
You're fully woke? Is that why we're doing 20 k's an hour up your road?
No, it's literally because I can't get on the
Right. Ready to hit the road, Rotorua. We'll see you in a little while. Well, through the magic of video editing, we've now arrived in Rotorua. But if I were to cut that, you would have missed all of this cool stuff. Oh, Phil, do you share your sheep? Oh, no, mate, I don't share my sheep with anybody. How could you say no to that?
Oh, yeah, you're up first, though.
Yeah,
and you haven't had a single practice
taken a leak.
No, they get them again. Huh?
We get
Three of them up.
Yeah.
But just thinking we were here yesterday.
Tell me your shit.
Huh?
Say something interesting. Fill up my
What, with this?
Yeah.
Why am I taking... Oh, shit.
It's recording, mate. That's why I said say something interesting.
Say something interesting.
No, I did. I just did. I said say something interesting. That was my interesting.
That wasn't very interesting, though.
interesting.
How is that interesting in the slightest?
It's very long.
You know what is interesting? Your feed.
In the banter today, are you, Jax?
I don't really want to say anything on the mic just yet because you know pilots might think that they're out there or something like that.
Yeah.
I like being in your vlogs though.
Yeah.
Hold it here so it looks like I'm looking at your face. I like being in your vlogs.
I'll just hold it here.
Yeah,
like that.
Yeah, but maybe angle it this way. There we go. I like being in your vlogs, James.
Yeah?
It's fun.
Even if it's only for like 3 seconds at a time.
Yeah, yeah. And I like how you censor me
When you swear, so you don't get in trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just thinking of you there, Jax.
Thanks, bro.
Look at that.
I'm the boss here.
Wow.
Oh, actually, that's kind of sore to look through.
You're up against Steve. Steve.
Be ready.
Steve and Matt. This could be interesting. I don't know who to root for.
Push-in. We're at the end. Nicolando 31. Spastic.
How's the racing going, brother?
It's going stellar. It's been great out there.
Yeah.
Had heaps of spectators show up too,
Yeah, it's quite busy, eh?
which I did not expect.
No.
But you know, I did thrash it on Facebook, telling people, show up, come watch. So it was to be expected, I suppose.
Globitar. FPV Duck done.
Well, no, it wasn't working.
Squeaky Dangler, FPV, done.
Deep done.
You gotta actually do have a dangly battery
What's up, kids? How's it all going? Good, man. How are you going?
I haven't really been looking.
Oh, just going hard and seeing what happens. Haven't really been watching the standings.
No breaker just hit, so that's good.
Nice. No split lipos from Steve Collision.
I've been pulling over an amp out of my 1300, so
Oh,
definitely ripping it.
yeah. It might be the last day with those. How's your racing going, Owen?
Oh, it's been going real
Yeah?
good today. Oh,
Yeah?
I'll show you my drone app.
First in all the races?
So I keep it in this handy little pro bag.
Yeah?
It's pretty technologically advanced.
Oh wow, I love the grey theme.
Yeah, the grey comes like that actually.
Yeah?
Yep. Straight from the factory. So
Oh, it's one of those fold up MXP 320s or
Yep.
MXP 300s.
yep,
Nice.
yep. That's
What
actually.
motors?
They're actually running Baby Beast.
Oh yeah.
Straight from Hobby King.
No, oh yeah.
Yeah.
What, like those 30 amp Racer Star ASCs?
Yep. It's actually got more than 10,000 milliamps. So it's got more than that big battery.
Wow.
Inside of this little package right here.
Wow.
So it's
The age we live in.
It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
It's also got a sonar, so I can use it at night as well.
Yep, and you got a filter on that, your HD cam there too.
Yeah. So this is part of the sonar actually. So
Is that filter on the lens there so you can talk complete shit to a camera and get away with it?
Shit, exactly.
Being good.
Yeah, I actually already got the tower, so.
Being good isn't
Last
measured
year.
by how fast you go. It's by how cool you look.
It's his
doing it.
gimbals.
Yeah, I've been pleasing the crowd all day.
Yeah.
To the fence twice.
Did you really?
Sensen. Nickelmando 31.
Well-run event. I don't know who won because we went off and flew. Of course I know who won. Michael Douglas won. I don't need to be a prize to find that out. I don't know who else came anywhere, but we were off flying the Maverick when the prize giving was on. But it looked like everyone had a really good day. So met some new people. A lot of really good pilots. Clubmen. Some of the guys in Clubmen really need to be in the sportsman class. Last year we were all pretty rubbish, to be fair. We were very new pilots. That was the class that I raced in last year. A lot of the guys that were actually racing in the class this year were very good pilots. So there was a bit of a talent spectrum in that class. But it was really good to see. There's some really good racing in there. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see. Just we've had great turnout. I just like going to these things, not even to race, just to hang out and meet some other pilots and talk to people from different parts of the country, and just see the sort of range of different racing talents that we have. We definitely need more of an acro side in New Zealand.